One, how to find the value of a in this interesting problem. A into square root of a is equal to a. Let's find a. As we have a into square root of a is equal to 8, so we can write this as a into square root of a is equal to 8. We can write as 2 cube. By multiplying 2 3 times we get 8. Now a into a square root, the value of square root is 1 by 2. So we will use here power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 cube. Now using an algebraic identity, that if we have x power m multiplied by x power n, this is equal to x power m plus n. Or we can say that when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their powers will be added. So this will become a power 1 plus 1 by 2, and this whole thing is equal to 2 cube. Now by adding 1 plus 1 by 2, we get the denominator of 1 is 1, so the LCM is 2, and 2 multiplied by 1 we get 2 plus 1, this is 3 by 2. So this implies a power 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to 2 cube. Now we can write this as a power 1 by 2 multiplied by 3, or we can write this as 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 cube. Using an algebraic identity, that if we have m power n whole power let t, this is equal to m power n multiplied by t. So this we can write as a power 1 by 2, which is square root, and this whole power 3 cube, and by shifting this 2 cube from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative 2 cube, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now we can apply an algebraic formula that if we have a cube minus b cube, this is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b squared. Using this algebraic identity here, so here we have the value of a is square root of a, and the value of b is 2. Now we will apply this identity. This will become a cube minus b cube. A minus b means square root of a minus 2 into a squared means square root of a squared plus ab, which is square root of a multiplied by 2 plus b squared 2 squared, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now in the next step, square root of a minus 2 into this square and square root cancel out each other. We will left with a plus 2 into square root of a plus 2 square 4 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get square root of a minus 2 is equal to 0, and a plus 2 into square root of a plus 4 is equal to 0. From this we get square root of a is equal to 0 plus 2, but we are interested to find a taking square on both sides. So this square root and square cancel out each other. We will left with a is equal to 4. Hence we have found the first value of a, which is 4. This is a real value. Now to find the value of a in this case, we will apply the quadratic formula by considering that square root of a is equal to t, and then this a will become t squared, and after this we have to find a by using quadratic formula. But here we will use a completing square method. This will become 2 into square root of a is equal to 0, and shifting this plus 4 from left hand side to right hand side, this will become negative 4, and this will become minus a. So now dividing both sides by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel out each other. Square root of a is equal to minus 4 by 2 minus a by 2. So now square root of a is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4 minus 2 minus a by 2. As we are interested to find a, so now squaring on both sides, this square root and square cancel out each other. A is equal to minus 2 minus a by 2. This square we can write this as 1 plus 1. Using the algebraic identity that if we have when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So this will become a is equal to minus 2 minus a by 2 whole power 1 multiplied by minus 2 minus a by 2 whole power 1. 1 plus 1 we get 2. Now a is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 we get 4. Minus into minus plus 2 multiplied by 2 4. And now minus 2 multiplied by minus a by 2, this will become minus into minus plus 2a divided by 2. And now minus a by 2 multiplied by minus 2, this will become plus 2a divided by 2. And now minus a by 2 minus a by 2, so this will become plus a multiplied by a squared, and 2 multiplied by 2 4. So now a is equal to 4 plus this 2 from denominator and this 2 from numerator cancel out each other. Here this 2 and this 2 cancel out each other. A plus a 2a plus a squared divided by 4. Now shifting this 2a from right hand side to left hand side, this will become a minus 2a, and we get a minus 2a minus a is equal to 4 plus a square divided by 4. Now by taking LCM, minus a is equal to the LCM of these two terms is 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 16 plus a squared. Now by doing cross multiplication we get 4 multiplied by minus a, we give minus 4a is equal to 16 plus a squared. Now shifting minus 4a from this side to another side, we get 16 plus a square. This will be positive and is equal to now 0. Now rearranging, a squared plus 4a plus 16, this is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So here we will apply the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is a is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 16. Using these values in this quadratic formula, so a is equal to minus b is 4 plus minus b squared. B squared means 4 squared gives us 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1. 4 and 4 multiplied by 16 we get 64. Divide by 2 multiplied by a, which is 1, so we get 2. Now a is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 64. We have minus 48. Divide by 2. Now a is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 48. We can write this as 16 multiplied by 3 48, and multiplying with negative 1 we get minus 48. Divide by 2. Now a is equal to minus 4 plus minus, we will apply square root of 16 multiply by square root of 3 and multiply by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So a is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16, which is 4, into square root 3, and square root of minus 1 is I iota divided by 2. Now a is equal to, taking 2 as a common from numerator, so inside here minus 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 into square root 3 I divided by 2. Now 2 and 2 cancel out each other, and a is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 into square root 3I. So we have found two solutions from here. A is equal to minus 2 plus 2 into square root 3I, and a is equal to minus 2 into square root 3I. These are the complex solutions. First, we have found that a is equal to 4. So we have now all three solutions. One is real solutions and two are complex solutions. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.